Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn subtraction within 100 together, step by step. Subtraction means taking away. Let's do 67 minus 24. Take away the ones. 7 minus 4 is 3. Then the tens. 6 minus 2 is 4. The answer is 43. Sometimes the top number does not have enough ones. In 52 minus 27, we cannot take 7 from just 2 ones. We need a way to get more ones. Here's the trick. Break one 10 into 10 ones. This is called regrouping. Now you have plenty of ones to take away from. The tens drop by 1. Back to 52 minus 27. Break a 10, so 2 ones become 12 ones. 12 minus 7 is 5. Now 4 tens minus 2 tens is 2 tens. The answer is 25. So subtract the ones first, then the tens. If you do not have enough ones, break a 10 into 10 ones. That regrouping trick lets you subtract within 100. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.